Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to English class today. My name is Sharif Abdullah. So let's begin for our class today. So we're gonna be fast a little bit. So is here grammar, and today is so huge. We have two sections here, 1 and 2. We have a lot of things. I hope it's gonna be clear. All of you can see here in this part, the handwriting will be clear to you to see, and following me together do something best in our English level. So I see well, but I don't know how it's gonna be from of you there will be clear or not. This one. So let's begin one by one, step by steps, and we get understand what's mean of grammar and how we can speak English language. Good. If you want to speak language or languages, that means you have to take roots of a language. That means we call grammar is root of any language in the world. So thank you for watching, and so don't forget to make subscribe into my channel, and that means you going to be support me and push me to go on. Then you will be benefit from me what I have. I will give you my best. I will give you the best which I have. Okay guys, thank you for watching and following. Now get started. Begin now guys. We have two sections as I told you. I have here present progressive, okay, and we have present simple. If we say that progress means present continuously, something which is continuous, is not without stopping, or what I do now, it's continuously I'm doing. That's mean live. Good. Let's get started. So, if you want to learn English or speak well in the English, means you have to do a strong grammar. I'm going teaching you grammar. Then next will be vocabulary. The next will be discussion. The next you take your certificate. So that's mean we learning English language online. That's mean will be comfortable for anyone following my classes into my channel YouTube. Then you will be stay at home, then you following me, so you learn English language without getting off your home. That's mean so pretty good, pretty nice. Good. Let's get started. We say now, tonight, now, tonight, at the moment, at the moment, at the moment, that's me now, tonight, this week, this year, today, tomorrow, in a minute, in a minute. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 6. That's mean in the minute. And tomorrow, and this year, in this week, at the moment, now, tonight. All these things here will be continuous. Will be present now. That's mean now means continuous. Okay, tonight, which is not have limitation. At the moment, now in this moment. Okay, this week, in this week, we are containing in this week. Now we're gonna be do what we want. This year, in this year, 2018, in this year, 2018. Okay, tomorrow means tomorrow. That's mean not be continuous or present, but tomorrow is the future. We still not got it. Okay, we can see today. Today means now, in this day. Okay, we have we have is, plus verb, plus verb 1, plus ing. That means this is verb to be. Verb to be. How we can use these things? I have here, for example, we are studying now. We are studying now. Now we are studying in our class. Now we studying. Now I'm explaining you. Now I am explaining. That means I am. There is ing. Explaining. I am. Explaining. Subject. I am. Explaining. Okay. Verb plus ing. We are studying now. Is, plus subject plus verb plus ing. Okay, let's see the sentences or their next example. Are you going with us? Are you going with us? Are you going with us? This is question. This is question. But we say, are you going with us? This is verb. You is a noun. Coming with us. Coming with us. And the verb. Good. Let's see here. Come. In the next section, we say present simple. And don't forget, so here we have two sections. This one, present progressive and present simple. Every day. Once a day. 3 times. All the time. If we say 3 times, we put the in of root s. If we say all the times, we don't put S. Good. Months, week, a week, Fridays. That means all Fridays. We say all Fridays, we will take this S. But if we say Fridays, that means we put S here. And we have also on the Monday. On the Monday that means you can do something on Monday. Good. Summer. The summer is so hard. The summer is so hard. Months, year. Let's see here the sentences which below. Usually, always, sometimes, never, often, seldom, etc. Good. You can see here will be clear. I, you, we, they. I means I, myself. You, that means you are seeing me now. We, that means we are. You and I together. We are. They are those whom are long way or another people. We have pronoun here. This one is nouns. So we have two things we need to know that here. That means I plus verb, you plus verb, we plus verb, they plus verb. Good. Here we have he, she, it plus verb plus S. He, she, it. We use S. When we use in present simple, we add S in he and she and it. She is doing. She is works. It works. He works. She plays. He plays. It plays. We don't say play. If I say play, that means I play. There is no S. You play. No S. Don't put S. We play. We don't put S. But when we put S, we say he plays. She plays. It plays. Okay. And these things we can put in a state of name. In a state of name. If I say I, that means I can use in a state of Sharif. If you said you can use in a state of John. If we say we, you can use we in its place in a state of nouns, names, or people. They also. Okay, here. Then you can use plus verb. Plus verb. She, he, it. Okay? Now, let's see here. Let's see. It's gonna be clear to you to see here, down here. we have we usually study. We usually study together. She studies. She studies. Why I say she studies? Why not be she study? Because she plus s in present simple. She plus s. She studies alone. The soup smells good. The soup smells good. Soup means which you cook it and you will be eat. That's